Hello and welcome. So, have you ever wondered there are two receptors with similar downstream signaling M3, which is a muscarinic type 3 receptors, which is stimulated by acetylcholine in parasympathetic nervous system domain, right? So the downstream signaling is going to be GQ, is going to be activating of phospholipase C, right? And then which degrades PIP2, which is degrades PIP2 to inositol triphosphate and diacylglycerol, and it does that, uh, bringing intracellular calcium up, right? Bringing intracellular calcium up. So M3 also does this, right? And there is something alpha 1, which is an adrenergic system. Adrenergic system, norepinephrine stimulates it and from sympathetic nervous system. So it also has the same pathway, right? The GQ pathway. But M3 vasodilates. M3 vasodilates and alpha 1 vasoconstricts. So, have you ever wondered this? Why? So, basically, M3, the receptor, is in endothelium. Endothelium. While this alpha 1 receptor is in vascular smooth muscle. The M3 causes endothelial calcium, endothelial intracellular calcium to increase, which in turn activates ENOS, the nitric oxide synthase, which increases nitric oxide in endothelium, which diffuses to vascular smooth muscle, and causes increase in CGMP, from GTP, catalyzed by guanylyl cyclase, right? Now CGMP, what it does is it inhibits myosin light chain. It activates myosin light chain phosphatase. So phosphatase, and it takes out myosin light chain and phosphates away from each other. So it's not contracting. So it is inhibiting the contraction. In other words, relaxation. So in contrast, the vasoconstrictors alpha 1 with similar GQ profile is going to cause vascular smooth muscle contraction. How? Because the receptor alpha 1 is present in vascular smooth muscle itself. So it causes intracellular calcium to be increased in vascular smooth muscle, which in turn binds to calmodulin, and it is going to activate myosin light chain kinase, which brings myosin light chain and phosphate together, so and thus causing contraction, right? So I was confused when I learned both the systems have uh, GQ pathway, GQ second messenger system, right? But rather M3 is causing the vasodilation and alpha 1 is causing the vasoconstriction. So, what's the basic mechanism behind that? So, I came to know the M3 vasodilator is due to endothelium mediated vasodilation. Endothelium mediated vasodilatation. So, hope this helps. And thank you.